This video is to go with the Maths Quiz, Module 1, Section 4 on selection. In the pupils book there is an assessment where the children have certain parts of the algorithm that they thought through in the first place, and they have to actually match that to the code. So I'm just going to talk you through this now just to make sure that you are fine with this as well. So let's have a little look. First of all, we've got that think of a question. You can see that clearly in that 3 times 3 equals. Okay, we've actually got that question in there. In fact, in lots of ways, that does two things. It's an ask block. It's asking the question, but it's also, we had to think of that as well. We had to put the answer in there as well. So we've got that in that operator block there as the number 9. We had to ask a question, so we see that ask block that's actually in there as well. We're listening and collecting the answer, and of course if you spent some time giving the children some opportunities to see that whatever they type into that ask block goes inside that answer block, they'll realize that what they can do with that input. Then we've got that equal sign, which is where we're comparing the answer thought of with the user's answer. Is it the same as? And we've got that in the equal sign. We've also, if the user's answer is the same as the answer thought of, okay, then we are going for correct. So if they're equal, then that's that first part of the selection block, that if part of it. And of course if they're not equal, then we get the else part of it, and that kicks in down the bottom there. So that's just helping you to understand that, and there is a little assessment for the children to do in the pupils workbooks.